Guys, I'm recording. Say something smart.
How much garlic do we need? What's the garlic?
Lucas!
If you want to buy
pre-shelled, peeled.
Yes,
from
Trader Joe's.
Big giant jars.
We don't need that much.
What is the garlic going
Let's
into?
get one.
That one.
The mash.
The cauliflower mash.
Probably need less of that. Than
Less. We probably just need one thing. We need a lot of
Exactly.
We're ready.
All right, guys.
We need a dance.
Let's go.
We need a dance to go with our dish.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Tell me where we're going. What's happening now?
We're going to Costco right now.
Hey, do you know the code to get out?
I don't.
Swipe your card. Swipe your card.
No, it's a code. It's in the
3341 something.
Oh my god, fail.
This is going in the bloopers.
Edit this out. Edit this out.
No, this is totally going in.
Why is there a code to exit the goddamn car?
I know. Well, they're afraid you might be stealing someone else's car, Jeff.
Yeah, whoever's car this is freaking awesome. Oh, Audi product placement. That's right. I forgot about that.
Oh, yeah. Why?
Thank you, Audi, for sponsoring us. Fred, you know that's actually, I'm putting that not in the blooper reel, that's going in the thing. Keep dancing, it's good.
Seven packs. This is pretty good one. Yeah, but like this is like
Yeah, each of these are about like 3.5 pounds or so. 4 pounds. 7 packs will do.
It's part of the video.
Did you guys just clean them out?
Yes.
Awesome. I got it.
Yeah. Okay, sitting at the grill, shall we?
So right now I'm creating some chocolate and we're going to combine it with some sea salt and some of the Baileys to make it into a nice little crisp as a base for our dish. Hopefully it'll taste deliciousness with just a hint of cocoa and you'll get that Bailey's coffee Irish whiskey taste.
Great, thanks. All right, so tell me what you're doing.
Alright, so I just finished steaming the first batch of cauliflower and garlic for the cauliflower mash, and right now I'm about to put it in the processor and get all pureed up and give it a try.
All right, Katie, you want to tell me what you're doing?
I am cutting some chocolate crisp dough into shards to bake, and we'll be pairing that with our favorite ingredient, Bailey's, a little later.
Awesome.
So what we've got here is a mango and ginger chutney that's simmering. And the other thing we've got going is our agar jelly. So we've got in 3 phases here. One is essentially warming up the mango juice, and then over here, if we turn around, we've got one that's cooling and one here that's got the ginger in it as well. And if you look at the freezer, we've got the whole pan of it here setting as well. So great. Hopefully that's gonna go.
A little pinch on there for me.
I need this.
This should have been a spoon actually for this.
Have you glazed it with the Baileys yet?
It might be because I have that.
That really good. Real salty sweet.
Chocolate.
Good.
It's good shit.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Fred, what are you doing?
That's why we're putting it together.
I am just testing the meat.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So the meat's
It's
got
really
a
good.
coffee chipotle rub.
Okay, we put
Excellent.
a tiny bit of salt in this,
All right.
so I was thinking...
All right, and that's what it's going to look like?
Thank you,
Cheers,
Butters.
guys.
All right.
Thank you,
To
Butters.
the Irish.
Thanks for the Baileys.
Cheers. Just like Mom used to be.
Should we just,
No, I'll just it's not hard, it's just annoying.
Nothing to see here.
You know if the processor is listening for sounds?
Just doing some product testing.
just a little bit, you know.
So,
Get us going.
essentially, what you do, so you want to make sure everything is lined up. So
Look at the Irish.
block